Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. And today I want to show you my sewing room where I make all the clothes. This is it. This is the sewing room, and I'm gonna give you a little tour about it. First is my sewing machine. It's a simple border. The border brand it's very reliable. So very simple, but yet you can do pretty much anything you want to do with that. And then next, once you feel comfortable, you can upgrade to a border. But of course, the border is limited to what you can do. But it's the benefit of having a border is that it makes the finish of any clothing super professional and a lot more. So you can do a lot more with a border. But this is not required for my courses. So you can start with this and do well with just this simple machine. Okay. Next, I have is a mannequin. I use that for fitting, but it's not required for this class, you know. It's good to have it. Next is the iron. Oh, that's a must-have. You can't sew and not iron. They go hand to hand, so you're gonna need that. So then, let's go here, the cutting board. That's very essential. My cutting board, this is you can get that pretty much at any place, Walgreens, Walmart, Home Depot, any place like that. Even Joann could have that as well. This is a fabric scissor. You're gonna need that. You're also gonna need a paper scissor, okay, because you don't want to use the same for both. So then of course you need a tape measure. Make sure you have one that is inches and centimeter at the same time. Next is a straight ruler. See, even the ruler has centimeter like that, so it's important to have both. Then very important is a square. This square is a little bulky. It doesn't have to be like that. This is really heavy, but yours can be just simple. Then you can have a curve ruler. It's not necessary to start with that, but it's good to have it. This curve, will show you how to use that. And basically a pin, we use pin a lot, so something like that. So this will be enough for you to start. And of course, if you can add any, this will be enough for you to start. So those are the stuff you're gonna be using for our courses to make beautiful clothing. So thank you guys.